IBM Cloud Private, the best cloud backup for small business. Can you imagine what would happen if you empowered your business to deliver innovative, competitive applications while integrating them with your existing applications and data? What if you could accomplish all of this while yet being flexible and free to utilize the services of other cloud providers? This is a very broad set of needs, but it reflects the challenges businesses face as they transition to deal with disruption. Now it's nice to have a way to do that. IBM Cloud Private. IBM Cloud Private is a reliable and scalable cloud platform that runs on top of your infrastructure. Today we will dive into understanding IBM Cloud Private and why it is the best cloud backup for small businesses. What is a private cloud? A private cloud is a cloud computing model that allows organizations to keep their computing resources, such as servers and storage, managed and operated by the organization rather than by a third party. This model allows organizations to more easily control their computing resources, manage their data and applications, and deploy them where they are needed most. Private clouds can also provide an added layer of security and management over public clouds. Because a private cloud makes it simpler for businesses to comply with regulatory obligations, many prefer it over a public cloud. Others choose private clouds because their workloads involve sensitive information such as financial data, medical records, intellectual property, and/or confidential papers. An organization can offer itself the ability to easily migrate workloads to the public cloud or operate them in an environment or mixed clouds whenever they are available by designing a private cloud. Architecture around cloud principles. Currently, we have IBM Cloud Private, which we will learn about in the next parts of this article. General overview of IBM Cloud Private definition. IBM Cloud Private is an application platform for developing and managing packaged, on-premises applications. It is an integrated environment for managing containers that include the Kubernetes Container Dispatcher, a private image registry, a management console, and monitoring frameworks. IBM Cloud Private provides a customer-managed container solution for businesses. It is also available in a community edition, IBM Cloud Private CE, which offers free limited service and is ideal for test environments. For the best experience using IBM Cloud Private, you must understand how Kubernetes, Docker, and Helm work. These open-source components form the basis of the IBM Cloud Private platform. 3 use cases of IBM Cloud Private. There are 3 main use cases of IBM Cloud Private that can help solve your business challenges. Create new cloud-native apps. Simple cloud-native app design that satisfies all administration requirements. Modernize existing applications. Check out how to rebuild your application pools so that you can react to the current changing business environment fast. Open data centers to work with cloud services. Learn how to integrate data services and apps from the enterprise and other clouds while creating applications on a private cloud. Why IBM Cloud Private is the best cloud backup for small business. Outstanding features. Unified installer. Use an Ansible-based installer. This Ansible-based installer is quick and easy to use. Run a few simple commands from a single startup node and your cluster will be up and running in minutes. Powerful tracking and logging. Records are generated by each container. Logs are crucial for post-production failure and troubleshooting. Due to the fact that 12-factor programs are divided into numerous microservices, there are more logs to analyze throughout the containers. Additionally, the container's files contain a lot of logs. FileBeat and the Elk Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana are both used by IBM Cloud Private. This monitoring and logging offer better performance and increased stability when you access and query logs and metrics, as well as a centralized repository for all logs and data. Monitoring and warning. The condition of each container must be checked. Kubernetes fundamental viability probes guarantee that unsuccessful pods are restarted. Health metrics are generated by each middleware container. For specific metrics, IBM Cloud Private sets up a unique Prometheus collector. Customer alerts and custom dashboards benefit from insights and building blocks provided by custom metrics. Identity and access rights. Identity and access management helps ensure a consistent identity across all platform services. IBM Cloud Private introduces the concept of groups on top of roles, which will link a set of resources both inside and outside of Kubernetes, to a defined set of role users. Guard. Data is kept secure while in transit for all platform services thanks to IBM Cloud Private. All services store encrypted data at rest and expose network endpoints through TLS. All services must offer audit logs detailing the acts conducted, their timing, and the individuals responsible. The security paradigm guarantees compliance across all middleware and uniform audit trails for all platform services. Vulnerability Advisor. Vulnerability Advisor's key benefits include capturing images to identify risks, identifying policy violations, identifying the most useful improvement methods, and finally implementing corrections. Automation Management. IBM Cloud Automation Manager is a self-service, multi-cloud management platform that runs on IBM Cloud Private, enabling developers and administrators to meet business needs. The platform enables developers to create apps that are compliant with organizational policies and allows you to manage and deliver services effectively through end-to-end automation. Metering. You can use the metering service to view and download detailed usage metrics for your applications. Detailed measurements are visible through the metering user interface and data is kept for up to 3 months. Monthly summary reports are also available for download and are kept for up to 24 months. Cloud Transformation Advisor. Most applications today aren't in containers, and customers need help modernizing their workloads. IBM Cloud Migration Advisor enables a better understanding of existing applications using information about your WebSphere environment and applications. IBM Microclimate. Microclimate is an end-to-end development environment that you can use to quickly create, edit, and deploy applications. Management Console. Your applications and clusters may be managed, monitored, and troubleshot from a single, secure management console. Helm. An IBM Cloud Private Clusters application management is done using Helm, a Kubernetes private package management system. Helm charts serve as a single authority, show even the most intricate applications, and offer repeatable application settings. Upgrades already in place and specialized hooks make updating Helm charts simple. Charts are simple to share, store, and version on both public and private servers. Table of contents. IBM Cloud Private provides an easy-to-use, extensible, and authoritative IBM catalog and third-party content. The directory provides a centralized location from which you can browse and install packages in your cluster. The benefits of IBM Cloud Private: a reliable and scalable cloud platform that runs on top of your infrastructure. With IBM Cloud Private, development and administration teams can collaborate in a flexible cloud environment from behind their own firewalls to build new microservices-based applications. Update old ones with the most recent middleware that is cloud-enabled, and securely integrate the two. Complement IBM Cloud by providing consistent runtimes, services, and manageability to reduce the friction of migrating to the public cloud. Enable key elements of its existing and new portfolio of middleware, data, and analytics to take advantage of the platform's capabilities. MongoDB and PostGIS are just two of the important open-source technologies that